Hello everyone, and once again welcome to my channel. Today I'll talk about amazing health benefits of carrots. There are many ways to prepare them: raw, cooked, or juice. They come in many colors such as yellow, purple, red, and white. Carrots also contain nutrients such as zeaxanthin, lutein, gamma-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin A, vitamin K, fiber, and lastly, minerals. Point number one is that they are good for your eyes. They are rich in beta-carotene, and compound your body changes into vitamin A, which helps your eyes help. It's essential to prevent eye disorder such as macular degeneration and blindness. Point number two, they can lower your risk of cancer, as they can even help your body to fight cancerous cells. Antioxidants have been proven to fight off harmful free radicals in your body, and that can make you less likely to have cancer. Point number three, they help your heart. All those antioxidants are also good for your heart. The potassium in carrots can help keep your blood pressure in check. Also, fiber and antioxidants that help to keep your heart healthy by aiding in the circulation of your blood and removing any plague from your artery walls. Number four, boost your immune system. The vitamin C in carrot help your body build antibodies that defend your immune system. By consuming just 1 glass of carrot juice a day, it will help your immune system, help your body fight against diseases, damages, virus, bacteria, and inflammation. Point number five is that they can help with constipation. If you're having trouble going to the bathroom, try munching on some raw carrots. Number six is glowing skin. Carrots contains antioxidants and minerals such as potassium, which help your cells from breaking down. Carrot juice can help your skin to remain young and healthy looking. Did you know that, guys? Keep watching. Point number seven, strengthens the bones. Because carrots have a high amount of vitamin K, which helps your body to build proteins, which heals your body and any broken bones faster, and also help to strengthen your bones. Point number eight, they can help control diabetes. People with diabetes are advised to load up on non-starchy vegetable, including carrots. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe so that you can enjoy more informative videos like this.